Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to the online class of Shriram Public School. This is Priti Mukherjee. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter 5 and the name of this chapter is Industry. In the last class, we have discussed that the industries are known as the secondary activities or manufacturing activity. Why? Because industry changes the raw materials into products of more value to the people. As you know or as you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing activities. I already gave this example. So today we are going to discuss the classification of the industry. Classification of industry on the basis of the raw material. Okay. Please listen it very carefully on the basic of the raw material. Raw material के हिसाब से this industry has three part: agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, and marine-based industry. Okay, on the basic of the raw material. And if I would say that on the basic of the size, classification of the industry on the basic of the size, then industry has some different parts. I'm giving you an example. If I say you that if I asked you that make the classification of your class on the basis of the attendance, and after that I asked you that make the classification of your class on the basis of the merit. So when you classified your class on the basis of the attendance, there you can find the different type of parts, and when you going to the classified your class on the basic of the merit, then you can see the different kind of or different yes, of course, different kind of parts. So now we are going to discuss on the basic of the raw material. On the basic of the raw materials, in the industries has three parts: agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, and marine-based industry. Okay. So what is agro-based industry? Agro-based industry use plant and animal-based products as their raw material. Okay. So this agro-based industry is completely connected to the plant and animal-based product. Okay, as I giving you that example that the tomato ketchup. That tomato ketchup is the example of the agro-based industry, because tomato this is completely connected with the plant-based products, isn't it? So agro-based industry use plant and animal-based products as their raw material. For an example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textiles, dairy products. These all are the examples of agro-based industry. Then what is mineral-based industries? Mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ore as their raw material. Mineral ore means that iron steel industry. For an example, that uh, iron made from the iron ore is the product of mineral based industry, and this is used as raw material for the manufacturing of a number of the other products such as heavy machines, buildings, railways, isn't it? I'm repeating it once again, that iron iron is the iron is used as a raw material of the mineral based industry. Iron is the used of the raw material of the mineral based industry, and this iron is used for the railways, that machines and buildings and all. So these are the mineral based industry. And what are the marine based industry? Marine based industries use product from the sea or ocean as their raw material. And example are that seafood and fish oil. Okay, and you can say salt also. Salt are the marine based industries, because these products are from the sea, ocean as a raw materials. So I've repeated it once again. On the basic of the raw material, the industry has three part: agro-based industry, mineral-based industries, and marine-based industry. Agro-based industry means those industry which are directly connect to the plant and animal-based. After that, mineral-based industry. Mineral means the primary industry that use the mineral ore, like the iron. Iron is as a use of the raw material of mineral-based industry. So, and it is very useful to building a house or heavy machinery. So all these things are the mineral-based industry. And what is the marine-based industry? Which is directly connected to the sea and the ocean as a raw material. That is seafood or fish oil. So I hope all of you can understand. In next class, we will discuss the classification of industry on the basic of the size. So no more today. We will meet again. Bye.